Hello everyone, welcome to Ed Yourself. In this video, we are going to see how to add a validator on workflow transition. And it's going to be use case number 2. And the validator here that we are seeing in this particular video is field has single value validator. What does it mean? Let me take you to the Jira instance. Alright, let me quickly click on create. In the development project, there is an issue type called task. And when I completely scroll down, I can see one of the field called environment Jira. As I can open the options, I can see it is a multi-select field. I can select a number of values at a time. Now imagine that there is a requirement and the requirement is something like this. In the multi-select field, the values should not be more than 1. Only one value needs to be selected. If any user selects more than one value, that issue should not be able to transition from one status to another status. Now imagine that this is the requirement. Now before applying the validator, let me quickly create an issue. Testing environment Jira field values. Alright, let me click on create. An issue has been created and let me open the issue. Let me move the issue from open to in progress and from in progress to done. As I can see that we have selected two values, and when I move the issue to done, the issue has been closed. Now the requirement is when the issue is moving from in progress to done, in the environment Jira field, there should only be one value, not more than one. If anybody chooses more than one, the Jira should give some error message stating that only one value needs to be filled in the environment Jira field. So that the users who is moving the issue to done, they will understand and then they will be choosing only one value while they are closing the issue. I hope everybody understand the requirement. So in order to fulfill the requirement, we have to directly navigate to the project settings of the development project. And then we have to add the validators on the workflows. So let's click on workflows. And now we are going to add the validator for the issue type task. So there is an workflow called DEV task workflow. So let me click on edit. Now let me switch over to the diagram mode. Alright, now we want to add the validator when the issue is moving to done, from in progress to done. So on this particular transition, I want to add a validator. And let me click on add validator. Out of which we are talking about a validator called field has single value validator, which means multi-select field has not more than one value during the transition. Let me click on add. Alright, the field is going to be environment Jira. So let me choose the field, let me click on add. As we can see, when the issue is moving from in progress to done, on the done transition, multi-select field environment Jira should not have more than one value, and this is the validator that we have applied. So let me click on publish draft. Let me not save the workflow and let me click on publish. Alright, the workflow is now active. So let me quickly create one of the issue in the development project in the task issue type. Testing environment Jira field values. And now let me click on create. Issue has been created. Let me open the issue. Alright, let me quickly add some values to the environment Jira. Let me choose more than one field. I have choose all the three fields and let me try to move the issue from open to in progress and from in progress to done. As we can see, there is a validator, right? We clearly know. So now when the issue is moving from in progress to done, what should happen? The Jira will directly go to the environment Jira field and it will validate how many values have been entered in this particular field. If it is one value, the issue will be transitioned to done. If it is more than one value, it is 2 or 3 or 4 values, the error message should be popped up. Now as we can clearly see that we have entered 3 different values, so the issue should not transition to done. Let me click on the done status. As I can see, transition failed. Environment Jira should not have more than one value. So what I want to do, let me close or let me cancel one of the value. Still we do have 2 values. Let me try moving the issue from in progress to done. Still I got an error message, environment Jira should not have more than one value. So finally let me remove one more value. As we can clearly see, currently there is only one value have been entered in the multi-select field environment Jira. Now when I click on in progress to done, automatically the issue has been updated to done status and the issue has been transitioned successfully because there is a validator, it has been validated and confirmed that the environment Jira multi-select field has only one value in it. And this is how we can make a use of the validator on a Jira workflow. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends, and for many more videos please stay tuned and subscribe to Yourself channel, and I see you all in the upcoming video shortly. Thank you.